In the Durban Jagannath Ratha Yatra, which is the Festival of Chariots. It happens annually on the Durban Festival, as you can see. So Lord Krishna comes in the form of Jagannath. You can see on the far chariot over there. He comes in his different forms, and we pull the ropes and we walk along the Durban beachfront. We're going to the amphitheater after this, and basically we are singing Krishna's name from the heart. We chant Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, which basically means, oh my dear Lord Krishna, oh my dear Lord Ram, energy of the Lord, please engage me in your service. So by chanting, we're basically telling the Lord, I'm a servant of you, please engage me in your servant. It's a loving exchange between the devotees. And basically we're saying that God has children, we are all his children. You cannot say that God has Indian children or black children or colored, and therefore you see people from all different races over here, Indian, black, colored, whites, from different spiritual backgrounds as well. You can see that there's Christians, Hindus, Muslims, so on and so forth. The essential message is that we are children of God. And so all of us from different backgrounds have gathered here today. We are pulling the rope and we are chanting the Lord's names. That's basically our motto, is to chant and be happy, and therefore we are chanting and being happy. We will go back to the Festival of Chariots, where we are distributing free vegetarian meals with Food for Life, which is the largest non-profit organization in the world that distributes free vegetarian food. So we have 3 chariots. The first one is Lord Baladev, his sister is in the middle one called Subhadra, and the very last one is Lord Jagannath. This is the form of Krishna, his elder brother and his sister, in the form of doll deities. So it's very nice to meet you, Ivy, and we hope that you can join us and chant and be happy with us.
Thank you so much.
Very well.
Durban, KZN, South Africa. We're having the Festival of Chariots. The Festival of Chariots is a procession that has been going on in India for over 5,000 years. And today, Lord Jagannath wants to come out of the temple and see his devotees. So the devotees bring him out of the temple to see everybody who does not come to the temple. And the purpose of this is that to remind us of our relationship with the Lord. Who is the Lord? Where is God? Why are we here on this planet? What is our purpose? Do we have a relationship with God? How do we revive that relationship with God? And what is in it for us to revive that relationship with God? See, in this material world, we are all suffering the 4 pangs: birth, sickness, disease, and ultimately death. No matter what body we have, blue, white, green, Indian, black, colored, white, we are not free from those. And our aim is to go back to God. brown head at the end of this lifetime by chanting of this mantra, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What you sing now on your phone, on your camera, is Lord Chaitanya, who is the most merciful incarnation of the Lord. He's come down 500 years ago to give us this process, which is the easiest process. Simply by chanting of this mantra, one can make his life perfect and go back to Godhead and having to avoid the repetition of birth and death. So please, look into this, understand this process, and get involved. This is called the Hare Krishna movement, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Hare Krishna!
Thank you.